coffee, ginger, lemon, honey. Is this really a weight loss tea? Oh, yes, it is. Coffee contains caffeine, which increases body metabolism and helps you to burn calories faster even while at rest. Ginger contains gingerol, which helps to break down fat cells. Lemon contains polyphenols, which suppress fat accumulation. And honey contains caffeic acid and quercetin, which reduce body mass and consequently helps to reduce body weight. So, the next time you have this combo in your hands, drink it with confidence because it works. Oh, and it's tasty too. For more nutrition information and healthy recipes, log on to my blog at www.nutrior.com. Bye bye.